Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Right behind you! Give up, poacher!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
One tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done, you're interested, you call me.
Stacarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jumping now, man!
Well, is there going to be cable where you is so I can watch the rest?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
McQueen! Seriously, that was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!
Around here.
Bingo fields.
Places to land.
The boat?
The USS White Deep flies.
Oh, Francesco likes this McQueen. He's really getting him into the zone. they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on.
We're in a demolition derby. Yeah, it was terrible. You sure? Because there's not a scratch on you.
So, my route is harder. I have to drive uphill.
Aha! Laugh it up. Real fun.
Gotcha!
Bonita música.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Should be easy.
Customers. Customers. Customers, everyone! Customers!
Un momento. Esos no son faros. Son tubos de escape.
I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
Is that hard?
Clear the starting line.
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is...
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
And now, our last competitor, number 95, Lightning! Boy, you're in a heap of trouble. I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
I love this guy.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will beat...
Landing Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Little bit of trick.
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my wrist.
I hereby dub thee
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!